Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 12th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on the Euro Yen, it's been drifting up all week. Over the last couple of days, it definitely did make a little bit of a move down, but you'll notice this move down never broke any structure to the downside. I've been waiting for a break of structure to the downside at a Fibonacci retracement level to confirm that this really is an ABC. Now that it made another push up, now our most recent structure is right here. So if it does turn at a Fibonacci down and break structure, that's what's going to confirm it's a wave C, and that's what's going to confirm to me that it's going all the way back down below all these lows. So definitely keep an eye out for it. Just a little bit of a turn down doesn't really confirm anything. It's the turn down at a Fibonacci level that's going to give us the confidence that this really is the end of an ABC correction, and we're going down for either a wave C or a wave 3, which either scenario should be very profitable if that's the case. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.